Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn the sentence in change into exclamatory sentence. Friends, you gave the exam but many mistake in this sentence. How to change? So first you find that in the sentence article an. So first what we find here first article an. When you see the sentence in article a and an, then you make the sentence into starting with what, and then you do not say no article in the sentence. Then the sentence will start with how. Friends, you understand here, she has been very foolish. In this sentence, no article. Means the sentence starts with the how. Plus, how after we write always, very foolish means very is remove. The sentence starts with how, we remove very what very निकाल देना है, means remove that very. Then after we write that adjective, how foolish, we write here foolish. And after we write the subject, this subject is here she. Subject to see here noun या pronoun. After write the verb, how foolish she has been. And at last you give that exclamation mark. Now you understand the sentence. Now second sentence. She is wearing a lovely gown. She is wearing a lovely gown. Friends, you see here the article a. When you say the article a in the sentence and the sentence and the exclamation sentence, the sentence starts with the what. किससे स्टार्ट करना है? what से. तो फर्स्ट यू राइट हियर दैट what. तो पहले तुम क्या लिखोगे? what. After adjective, here you see that lovely. But here the mistake idea. What a lovely. What we write here? What a lovely. What a lovely gown. And after that, subject means noun here. Pronoun means noun. The subject is she. So we write here she. After verb is wearing. So you write here is wearing. The sentence is complete. What a lovely gown she is wearing. But here, only one mistake in this sentence. What a mistake? So at last, the exclamatory sentence at last you keep that exclamation mark. क्या करना है? Exclamation mark लगाना. Now sentence number 3. Sentence number 3. Raman was making a lot of noise in his room. Raman was making a lot of noise in his room. Full stop. Raman was making a lot of noise in his room. You see the sentence, article A. Here we find the subject. Subject is Raman. Was making is verb. Was making is verb. So the sentence starts with what a lot of noise in his room, other word. Where we have changed add the other word after that, Raman. Yeah, also you remove the other word as you like, depend on you. So Raman was making a lot of noise. The sentence starts with what? What a lot of noise. What a lot of noise. Raman was after subject. Raman was making. Raman was making. And you last keep that exclamation mark. And here I remove that other word. Now you write the sentence. And friends, when you in the sentence you say Raman was making a lot of noise in his room. But here I write here the complete sentence here. What a lot of noise Raman was making. Then you add. सर मुझे ऐड करना है, वो वर्ड निकालना नहीं है, तो यू राइट द अदर वर्ड एट लास्ट. यहाँ तो वो कंप्लीट हो जाता है, लेकिन तुम्हें ऐड करना है तो कहाँ ऐड करोगे? तो इन हिज रूम. यू राइट हियर इन हिज room, and at last you give that exclamation mark. Understand friends? Here both sentence, both sentences. Raman was making a lot of noise is complete the sentence here. In his room is other word. Then you make a what a lot of noise Raman was making. You finish the sentence first time, and second time you add that other word, so you make an exclamation mark at last. Are you understand? Number third, you write two types here. You write two types. Now, you write first, second type. Now friends, you see the sentence number 4. Lata Mangeshkar has a beautiful voice. What we find first? We find first in the sentence very article A an. So you see here article A. Article A means the sentence starts with that what. So, and what after what we write article A an. We write here what after exiting beautiful. Beautiful voice. After we write a beautiful voice. What a beautiful voice. After that subject is here Lata Mangeshkar. We also take here she. Yeah, Lata Mangeshkar. Means we write here that Lata Mangeshkar. And at last you give here that verb Sam here Lata Mangeshkar has. And we write here the full stop. No, we give here the exclamation mark. End of the sentence we write give here the exclamation mark. Are you understand? Lata Mangeshkar has a beautiful voice. Then the sentence we make into the exclamation sentence. The what a beautiful voice Lata Mangeshkar has. Number 5. Number 5 is so. You are very rude. You are very rude. Very good. In this sentence, what we find first? The very. Very means the sentence start with how. जब आप सेंटेंस में आर्टिकल ए लिखते थे तो स्टार्ट करते थे गॉड से, बट हम देखेंगे वेरी सेंटेंस स्टार्ट विद हाउ. Sentence start with how. So first we write that how. After what we keep here that adjective rude. How rude. After subject. So you. After verb are. And keep at last the exclamation mark. Understand? You are very rude. So, sir, you did not go keep here that very. But the sentence starts with how. You remove the very. How rude you are. Understand? Sentence number 6. Sentence number 6 is, it is very beautiful pictures. It is a very beautiful picture. Now you have questions. You see here in this sentence a and very. So which sentence start with which word? How, yeah, what? So you have many questions in your mind. You have said that, sir, how and what was? But no, always who is the first? तो sentence start with what? जो पहले है उसका यूज करके तुम्हें sentence start करना है. या when you do not understand, then you see this article first a, then the sentence start always what. क्या करना है? exclamatory sentence always start what. What after it. And remove the very. What and you say very. In this sentence you say always you remove. So it is a beautiful pictures. Are you understanding here? So what a beautiful pictures. The after adjective what a beautiful pictures. Pictures. What a beautiful picture. After subject is here given it. You write here it. It. After verb is. And at last you keep the exclamation mark. Friends, remember always when you see in the sentence article a and very both are in one single sentence, then you use always a. You understand here a and very is removed. Then the sentences become what a beautiful picture it is, and last you keep that exclamation mark. Again I say you, when you see both things article a yeah a and yeah very, then the sentence always start with a what. Understand? Write sentence first. You write the sentence. Now, sentence number 7. She is very sick. In this sentence, we did not see here that article a and we see here that very. The sentence in the very, we start with the how. How after the adjective is sick. Right here. Sick. And after subject, she is. She is, and give here exclamation mark. Now sentence number 8. Sentence number 8 is, you are very clever. Very clever. Now friends, you see here, you are very clever. In this sentence is very, the sentence start with which verb? So how the sentence starts with how, and after that verb clever, and after subject is here you, and are. At last we give here that exclamation mark. Now sentence number 9. The sentence number 9 is the babies are very cute and loving. The babies are very cute and loving. Full stop here. Here you see here that very after two adjective, cute and loving. The sentence, first you understand the sentence start with how. So you write here. And the sentence is also plural. No? You make the plural sentence and with the plural. How cute and loving. How cute and loving. Loving the babies are. Babies are. And at last you keep that exclamation mark. Friends, you understand here that when the sentence is plural, you make in interrogative exclamation sentence in that plural. Now you write the sentence 6, 7, 8, 9. Write in your notebook first. Now friends, you see here the sentence number 10. The Olympics are a great event. The sentence you see here that article A, the sentence began with that what? You make a sentence here. What a great event. What a great event. The Olympics are. After subject, the Olympics are. And then the last you give here that exclamation mark. Friends, you understand this sentence? The sentence starts with the sentence in the article area, an, the sentence starts with what, and then the sentence in the sentence that very, the exclamation sentence starts with how. You remember this very easy. I hope you understand this revision. Change into the exclamatory sentence means assertive sentence change into the exclamatory sentence. You write in your notebook and also you extra practice at your home. Thank you.